All right, good. We got plenty of battery on this crazy thing. All right. Hopefully this goes a lot better than the last time. Okay, so I've got this crazy Pixhawk and quadcopter that I picked up for $2 last time. Didn't have my phone with me, so I can link in tablet and get updated maps. So this time, now I've got the hotspot. Now I can go ahead and do this. Unfortunately, this thing is pretty slow, so I have no idea what the deal is. It just seems to take forever when it's trying to load up anything. Just make sure I've got everything here loaded up. Yeah, as soon as I get the hotspot going, I can go ahead and make sure it's going to get, let me see, network. Okay, yeah, it's already connected. Okay. All right, so it's going to get hooked into hooked in the data radio. Oh, you know, see, that's a pretty handy thing to have. All right, bring up the tower beta. I'll swear this sucker takes forever. Yeah, no biggie. All right, wait for that thing to open up. Yeah, when I figure out I can go ahead and get the data lines from here plugged in from this radio here and just plug them straight into this transmitter or the receiver right there, then I have the feeling I'm going to be in a better situation here. All right, connect. It's connected up. All right, there it is. And if I can probably see us under the GoPro or not. The GoPro seems to have a bit of an issue though, but
connected.
At least the home spot is actually here this time, not next to the tree line. Now look at that, 3D GPS. Okay, and it is at 19 satellites. Yeah, it's a lot better away from the trees. It's in stabilized mode. All right, I'm going to do this with the tablet this time, but at least it's here. Oh, come on. This thing keeps feeling it's on its side here. Okay, it's in stabilized mode, so I'm going to do this, hit the slide. Okay, now take off. Now from here it should only do like 66 feet. What it's showing there.
Waypoints received. Mode guided.
Wow, 66 feet, man. Look at that, 65.7. Okay, good. Now I can go ahead and... Now, I don't know if I might be able to do that or not. Yeah, this sucker's pretty stable. Look at that, it's not going anywhere. Okay, this is the Pixhawks system, so I'm still getting familiarized with it, but I'm going to go ahead and bring it in and land it here. It's at 14.4. Now, it should be coming in to land. And this is the one thing, I remember I have to get it out of land mode before I can take it off again. Ah, this sucker works pretty good. See, it's gave the same direction and everything else. Look at that. Ah, look at that. Okay. Well, hell, it seemed to work just fine. Okay. Let me see if I can do this here. Editor. Two, 3, and 4. Come on, there it goes. And on that one, I wanted to. Okay, that's it. Okay, so now that I've programmed in it to go 4 waypoints here, it's only got 14.4 volts left on it. Really have to see how this sucker works. Upload the mission. I want to append a takeoff and return to launch to your mission. Yes. Okay, now that I've done that, okay.
Waypoint saved to drone.
Now I just need to go vehicle data. Okay. Arm. Slide. Oh, I gotta do this again.
Mode not armable.
Guided. Oh, that'll work.
Mode guided. Armed.
Take off. Now we're gonna see if the thing works.
Points received.
Okay, so let's see if it does what it's supposed to here.
Going for waypoint. Mode auto. Going for waypoint 3.
Oh, that's pretty darn cool, man. I'm doing this all with the tablet.
Going for waypoint 4.
I'm really gonna have to take and learn how to do this here.
Going for waypoint 5.
Okay. Son of a gun, look at that. Okay. We're
Going for waypoint 6.
now where's waypoint 6? Oh, back home. Okay. And land.
Land.
Okay. That's the best damn $2 that I've ever spent. But yeah, I definitely need to land because that battery is it's one of those cheap ones again. Well, I'd say this thing works pretty good, so now I have to figure out how the thing's gonna work with the radio and how I can go ahead and get all the waypoint missions and everything else. At least I know I can do it with the tablet.
Disarm.
I don't know if you guys can see that in there, but this thing works pretty darn good. All right, this is going to be a hell of a lot of fun. Okay. All right, at least I know that the Pixhawk is far better than the APM system, and I have now confirmed it. All right, APM 2.6 and 2.8. You can kiss my FPV butt. Ah, papa. Okay. So yeah, I have the feeling I want to be using this Pixhawk a lot more. Seems like I've seen nothing but good stories from it and good reliability, and the fact that this is just you know, a good quad with the DJI ESCs and the motors, along with these particular props right here, which basically just screw on. I find it really interesting though that this thing is flying as well as it does with everything I've got into it. After I had rearranged all the motors, get the props going the right way. These right here, you get the arrows specifically for each of the motors, so that's the one thing. But man, that's pretty darn cool. Okay, so able to upload the mission, able to take and get it sent to the quad. It automatically knew where it was going to go, and it just maintains 66 feet. So the thing is, you can take and change the altitude, do whatever you want to. I'm gonna have a lot of fun playing around with this. All right, yeah, I guess we're about done then. All right, for right now. Yeah. Oh, I'm out here again. Okay. Still in stabilized mode, so. There it goes. Hey, maybe the batteries might be also going. Okay. Hopefully the camera's in the right spot.